We have received an important message. A large field fire has broken out. The police have asked us to help convey necessary safety measures. Keep doors and windows closed to avoid inhaling potentially dangerous smoke. Police and fire services are on site working hard to control the fire. It is crucial that you follow their instructions closely. If you experience breathing difficulties or see signs that the fire is spreading, contact emergency services immediately by dialing. Stay updated through local news channels and official announcements for the latest information.